Alright guys, welcome to this unboxing video. It's the Redmi Note 11. Now this is a newish phone. It's been around for maybe a month or a couple of weeks. So this just landed in the studio today, and let's do a quick unboxing and check out what's inside this Redmi Note 11 box. Now before we get in there, let's first of all have a look at the one I got. So I have the Redmi Note 11 in graphite gray, that's the color. So this one is a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Alright, so let's get in the box now. Okay, good. So here we get this little envelope or enclosure, inside which we have the SIM card ejection tool, and in there, of course, you have your paperwork and your clear case in there, and then you have the phone. And then you have your orange accent cable with USB type A on one side and USB type C on the other side. And then thankfully there is what appears to be a fast charger inside the box. So again, it's an orange accent charger. I'm gonna peel off the casing, and as you can see, we do have a 27-watt fast charger in the box. So that's a nice touch. Fast charging brick inside the box. And now with everything to the side, let's go ahead and remove this peeling. There's your Redmi Note 11 in graphite gray. You can get it in any other color you want. You can see the cameras right there. Then you have your power button, which appears to also be a fingerprint reader on the side. Your volume rockers on the right as well. Your SIM tray is on the left, and then at the top there you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. You have an upward firing speaker, you have a microphone, and what appears to be an IR blaster. And then at the bottom you also have another microphone, and then the USB type C port, and another speaker that's firing downwards. Anyway, that's the unboxing experience, and that's exactly what's inside the box of your Redmi Note 11. And of course, you need to subscribe if you want to watch more videos about this phone. I'll be making videos about literally everything about this phone, so make sure you stay subscribed. Thanks for watching, and good luck.